Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use this tie-dye kit that I got from Walmart the other day. If you're new to my channel, just make sure you hit the like button if you enjoy this video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching. The first thing you're going to need before you get started is you're going to have to put some of these little gloves that it comes with on. Next, all you're going to do is fill your bottles up with water up to the top of it. Now all you're going to do is lay your shirt flat on a flat surface. Now all you're going to do is take the middle part of your shirt and start twisting it until you get a spiral shape. Once you get your shirt the way you want it, now all you're going to do is put the rubber bands on where you need them. Now before you get started, make sure you put a plastic bag or a trash bag on your surface to make sure you protect it from the dye. Once you have that done, now all you have to do is start applying the dye to the sections you want. Okay, once you get done doing your dye, now all you're going to do is take a plastic bag or plastic wrap and place your finished project in it to let it sit for 6 to 8 hours. Once you let it sit for 6 to 8 hours, now it's time to rinse it out and reveal it. Once you get your shirts rinsed out, make sure you hang them up to dry. Hey guys, if you enjoyed watching this and learning how to create tie-dyes of your own, leave a comment down below what you want to see next, and I'll really appreciate it if you try this out to Instagram me some pictures of it. I'll have my links down below in the description box. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Bye.